Here's the beautiful front entrance to the Pueblo Bonito Emerald Bay Spawn Resort in Mazatlan, Mexico. This is all-inclusive as well as a timeshare, so don't be alarmed if they ask you to go on a tour. If you want, go, and if you don't. It doesn't matter. So here's the front entrance, the reception there to your left. Nice fountain in the front. This is the door out to the pool area and the restaurants. This is the back entrance there. Here's Kelly's bar. We have Raphael playing in there 3 or 4 nights a week. It's very relaxing. And here's the back entrance where the carts take your luggage. And here from the other end of the lobby, it's a little adults only pool. Getting around. There's a big area for adults only. They always ask your room number here because some people don't get all inclusive. You can just rent the room because all the rooms have fridges and stoves, and you can buy stuff at the store down the road or the deli here. So don't be alarmed if they ask you for your bill. You just sign it and it ends to be $0. Here we'll wander back to the other pool. Here's the activity pool. It's the first pool that you come to from the lobby. Our room is at the very far end. There's another pool. There's one even in between there. It takes about 10 minutes from the main lobby to our room, but you have all day. The infinity pool. It's the popular one right here. If you need to put out a towel at spring breaks, you have to be there by 6:30. But look at the views, are awesome. You know, it's pretty nice here. Low buildings. 4 stories is the highest. Here's where we sit. Spot right here. So that's our view. Janet will wander down to the beach later. There's lots of chairs down there. Another little pool. In the middle there is a hot tub. Yeah, they're doing some work. Trimming some trees. The place is kept really nice here. Here you can do some painting. This is a lot. This is very tropical here. This looks good. Okay, we're wandering back to our hotel room to get the teenager who's still sleeping. We start at this end at the beach. I walk back to the other end. You can walk along further. Here's our view from up here. That way you can walk down here to the hotel, to the restaurant, or this way we can walk to our room. Here's the path. Very lush. That's green. Should give you a night shot too. It looks really cool at night. Some fish ponds. There's these flowers. I don't know what they're called, but my wife likes them. They're all over the place. It's a good place here. Here we're gonna go down for breakfast. Just walk down these little steps. This is the relaxing pool. Actually, this pool is a little bit warmer. A little more sun. And then into the... This is the relaxing restaurant. We're going down the beach here at the Pueblo Bonito. You just can walk down there's the bride. You can walk there, down here, 5 or 6 different ways. We're at the far end from the lobby. They just look like this. Beautiful view. A little hazy today, but it's gonna clear off like every day. We're 5 minutes from the other end. Now we can see the resort again. A little sunny there. Here it goes all the way down there. You can see there's not very many people on the beach today. You can walk all around. Here's the beach. It's a little bit rocky. But it's good to play in. You can walk out a long ways. Way out there, let's zoom in, you can see some people fishing. Let's see if we can get that. There. Fishing this morning. There's the guy getting ready to sell coconut drinks. They're about $5 US. Heard they're pretty good. There's some beach chairs you can get. So down there so you can see the Rio background. We started way down past these trees. Here we are at the other end of the resort. 10 minutes, you can easily walk longer. Here's the Beast Cordillere restaurant is here. And we can walk all the way back to our room at the other end. Here. Or zigzag through the pools. Whatever you want. Here's the entrance to La Cordillere. It's where the buffet is for the breakfast. It's open 7 to 10, I think, and then 6 at 6 o'clock at night again. It's not open for lunch. There's the steps to the main lobby. We just stopped in there for a coffee, and now we're gonna head back to our room. With lots of paths to go. There's not a wrong one, just some take longer. Now you can take this to the other pool where we were. Had our chairs this morning. Okay, here we are on a building somewhere. Here's the view from this building. And you can see all the pools here. And then there's the ocean right there. It's beautiful. Here's our view in the morning. It's a beautiful view. It's the pool, and right down to the bottom left there is the Bistro restaurant. Here we are. You can see all the paths. The main building is way at the distance there. That's the main building. It's a beautiful view. Here in the Pueblo Bonito, Emerald Bay.